Alright, here come the cats, wanting to play Indiana Jones. Kitty cats, come here.
Rachel.
Elvis!
Elvis. Elvis.
Elvis, come here and meet your favorite friend. Baby Ball. Come on, cats.
Rachel. Elvis.
Elvis, come here. There you are, come here. Come up here.
Elvis.
Come here. Indiana Jones! That was very uneventful. Come on. Bring that back up here. Come on, Harrison. Andy, you give me the idol, I give you the weep. Okay. One more time. Jeff, you want to play Indiana Jones?
Hey, no. Hold it.
Lamb, motherfucker.
Go.
Ah! Dude, your cats suck, man.
They're smarter than you.
Yeah, they're smarter than 5th graders.
Both of you guys combined.
Jeff, give me a beer.
No.
I said give me a beer now.
I don't have a beer.
Give me a beer, man!
Dude,
No!
if you guys want to drive, I will go and get the beer.
You don't need any. Oh. Go! Okay, I think Kitty Cat Indiana Jones is now over with. Unless you want to call the cats one more time.